Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Ailey if you're new. Today's video is going to be something I've never done before. I've never actually felt the notion to do it before, but as you can see my eyebrows are freshly tinted and it kind of gave me an idea. Now, I've seen freckles, faux freckles are a massive craze. I get really freckly if I'm out in the sun. Like if I go on holiday I get really freckly. Freckles was never really something that I jump on board with, so I mean my skin isn't the best just now. We're just gonna give it a go. Everybody's been doing it with sort of fake tan, they've been doing it with henna, the henna video, if I can find a photo of it here, that poor girl, but you know, props to her for doing it. I thought that was absolutely hilarious. But anyway, I thought peel off freckles. I use the Revolution brow tint, peel off brow tint thing. This thing here. So I'm thinking it'll be like peel off freckles. And yeah, we'll just see how it goes. I don't think I'm going to put this on my hand because it'll stain. I've got like a little box here. This could be a complete and utter fail, or it could be a really cool way to do this. So yeah, if you want to see if this is going to end up being a total disaster or a genius idea. I don't know if anybody else has done this. I haven't seen anybody else do this. It literally just came to me when I was doing my eyebrows last night. So don't come for me if somebody's already done this, okay? And I have no idea what freckles look like, okay? Like, I don't take note. So I've got a little bit on the back of this here. Ooh, okay. Okay. I do have some little freckles. I'm just gonna... I know I usually get them sort of on the bridge. My nose. Oh, this is scary. I don't know if I really like this. I do have some freckles just now. I'm not going to go over, but I've seen people go totally crazy with this and I don't really want to do that. I suppose it makes for a good video though. I'm trying to just use like different amounts of pressure to get different size freckles. I feel like I'm going to be a bit crazy and I feel like I've got a Pippi Longstocking vibe going on here. I suppose if you've got any like little breakouts and that on your face, you could sort of use this to hide them a little bit. Okay, so I'm gonna let these sit. I don't know how long for, just to let them dry. And then we'll see what it looks like when we peel them off. Hello. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes or so. I did like a test one on my hand and I peeled it off and it looks pretty good. And I peeled one off down here. So I'm thinking that it could be good. Whether or not they'll last, I don't know. Might need to leave them on a wee bit longer, but I don't want them to be like really dark. And as you can see, my eyebrows go really dark. So, but you can always tailor the shade, I suppose. This one's in dark brown just for reference, but let's see what we got. And I know I said peel off, but it's easy to just sort of scratch them off. We could be onto a winner here. I mean, they are very cool toned, but that's because I like my brows cool toned. So, you know, I bought this product for my brows. So, they're very, you know, you just pick the shade to match your skin tone sort of thing. I actually think I could have got away with doing more. Because I like this sort of little cluster I've got going on up here. So I'll pull you in a little bit closer. You can get an idea. This one's a little bit darker because I put it over a little blemish down here and it's actually covered it really nicely. But that's, you can see like there's a fake one there, all on my nose. These ones all around here I think are my favourite. Like that looks so natural to me in the mirror. I don't know how it looks on camera, but that bit there just, it looks like normal freckles to me. These ones are a wee bit more, these ones I did follow a pattern of freckles I did have, so I think that the pattern's quite important. But I mean, like that, I think that that's really cool. We found something! Yeah, I think maybe like a warmer tone would be nicer. I just want to keep this video really short and sweet. We'll zoom out to like a reasonable distance. And then you can have a wee look and you can tell me what you think. I kind of like it. Some of them are, you know, I think I'd probably add more and, you know, kind of try and cluster them a little bit so that they look a little bit more natural. But this side, I think, looks like freckles. This side, a wee bit more dotty, but that's because I've got like a sort of gap in here that I obviously forgot about. But I mean, if you look really closely, there are some lighter ones, so maybe they just need to be left on a little bit longer. But I would say winner, winner, chicken dinner. if you haven't tried it before and you're trying to find out a way to do faux freckles, and like ones that'll sort of last as well, because obviously this isn't just going to wash off, it's not like just doing it with eyeshadow or anything like that. This lasts a day or two. Obviously the longer you leave it on, the longer it'll last, but the darker it'll go. So if you maybe want to do this, I'd maybe get like a separate one, like a light brown or something like that, and then you can do it that way. And I mean, you could even sleep in them overnight or something like that, and then that way on your pillow maybe 1 or 2 or 3 would come off during the night, so they wouldn't be as dark as all the rest of them, so they would be all sort of multi-tonal maybe. I don't know, we'll see. I'll maybe try that, and then if I do, I can always let you know in a later video, or you'll see it maybe if I'm doing my makeup or whatever. But yeah, so new thing. I don't know if anybody else has done it, like I said, but if you are looking for a way to do faux freckles that you want to last, you know, more than just having your makeup on. So if you want to try it, then the Revolution Peel Off Brow Tint, I think it's only a few £. Definitely, I would say go and try it. It's easy. I mean, a wee orange wood stick or something with a tiny little point on it, and then if you want to add more detail, use a spoolie. But yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. This was actually quite a cool one for me, a cool wee experiment, something that I'd never thought of doing before, so I'm glad that I did it. But if you try it, let me know in the comment section below. Let me know what shade you used as well, if you're similar in skin tone to me, because I think that I may get a different one just to try this again. But if you found it helpful, found it entertaining, if you found it useful in any way, shape or form, give this video a like for me and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the new one, in the next one. Bye guys.